Want to use your coins on Aliexpress and don't know how to use those? Then this video is for you. Let's start by opening any web browser and visiting aliexpress.com. Ensure you are logged into your account before proceeding. Once logged in, navigate to the coins section, which will take you to the coins interface. If you have no coins, simply tap on collect to gather some. After collecting, your coins balance will be updated. Scroll down to browse various items where you can use your coins. Select an item you want to purchase, such as a product offering an extra 5% discount with coins. If you have enough coins, tap buy now, and the coins will automatically apply to the product, reducing the total price. There is no need for any additional steps as the discount is seamlessly applied at checkout. This simple process allows you to make the most of your coins on AliExpress. That's it for today. If you have found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.